Are fake products infringing on your utility patent? Let me show you the exact steps to get them removed. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you pro tips to find a great priced attorney in the US that can help you with this. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, we're gonna go over how Apex works, and then I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to actually report a fake and get it removed via Apex. But it's important that you know how Apex works, and Apex is actually called Amazon Patent Evaluation Express, and it's only for utility patents. So, and for USA sellers, as of right now. So here it is. And here's your requirements. You need to have a utility patent that's actually registered, not pending. And you can apply for it, and I'm going to be showing you how to report a fake and the expectations and how it works. So how it works in a nutshell is, let's say this is your item right here. This is your item, and you found somebody that's violating your fake item. So they're violating your utility patent, this one right here. So what you do is you apply for Apex and you give, and then Amazon says, okay, you have applied, you need to give us $4,000. You give them $4,000, and then they're going to put it into escrow. It's just going to sit there, okay? Next, Amazon, now they know you're serious, and they're gonna contact this fake, and they're gonna say, hey, you wanna stay on Amazon? You need to fight. Give us $4,000 as well. And if they don't give Amazon $4,000, they automatically get kicked off Amazon right away, and you get your money back. If they do put up $4,000, then Amazon hires an evaluator. An evaluator is an attorney that specializes in utility patents in the USA, and they're there to make the final decision. So what happens is you go into your utility patent and you show Amazon. You say, when you file it, you say, hey, Amazon, they are violating claim number 3 of our utility patent. So since they're violating claim number 3, they should be removed from Amazon. And now the competitor is supposed to say, hey, we're not violating claim number 3, and here's why. Once you do that, then Amazon comes in, and Amazon is going to say, okay, either you win, and if you win, you get all of your money back, and they get kicked off. If you lose, they stay on Amazon, and you have to give Amazon $4,000. So that's the process. Now, if you know utility patent, you know utility patent law, you have a good attorney, then you should be winning galore, especially with the utility patent since it's so powerful. And I'm gonna be giving you a tip at the end to find an inexpensive attorney to help you with this. But we're gonna be going through now how to actually submit the infringement yourself and get started in Apex. To submit the infringement, again, the most important thing is to find the fakes. So let's say this is your item and this is the counterfeit and they're violating your utility patent. Make sure you pull up your utility patent and make sure you figure out, look at the claims and say, okay, what claim number are they violating? You can only pick one. You can't pick multiple claims. So go through with you or your utility attorney and say, okay, what claim are they violating? Which one's the best one that we can fight with? Remember, if your patent has the letter D in it, then it's not a utility patent, it's a design patent. And this does not work for design patents. So anyway, next what you're gonna do is go to brandregistry.amazon.com. You're gonna sign up and you're gonna enroll a trademark, and then you're gonna get access to report these counterfeits. Now, once you have access, you're gonna click report a violation. You're gonna go here. You're gonna go to the counterfeit right here, and it's gonna have a special code. It's called an ASIN. It's gonna start with B as in boy 99% of the time. You're gonna copy that, and you're gonna put it into here. And again, this is Amazon.com. It's got the USA flag, right marketplace, click search. Now you're gonna report the entire listing because you want the entire listing to get removed. And you're gonna report it as patent infringement. After that, you're gonna look and see potential violation of my utility patent. You're gonna put your brand name in here. You're gonna put your patent number in here. We're just gonna pretend that this is your patent right here, your utility patent. Put that in, and then you're gonna say, hey, this ASIN, dear Amazon, ASIN is violating claim number, let's say 3 of my utility patent that says, and you're gonna work on your spelling. I'm just doing this for speed. Boom. Okay, so you're gonna have to actually go to the attorney and add more information before this is submitted, but just add some information in here, and this is going to help you add more information on how they're actually violating claim number 3. Once you have that, you're gonna click none of these at the bottom, and then you're going to click yes, and then you're gonna put your patent expiration date. You're gonna put the claim number. You can only put one claim number right here, one claim number. So let's do claim number 3. And let's say it expires in, I don't know, 2025. It should last a lot longer than that. Oh, 8 months, so you need to do a little further. This January of 2026. And then the names of any corporate patent subsidiaries or other entities related to the patent owner. So if you have anything related, put that. If not, check none of these. Put contact name, email, click submit. After that, you can go to monitor and submission history, and it should be pending. If we go back, it's going to take around, pretty much Amazon says, the initial Apex evaluation typically takes 4 to 6 weeks. So they're going to reach out to you probably within 2 weeks, 4 weeks max. And then they're going to say, hey, this is the next steps. And it's usually going to be via email. But you can check the status if you go to monitor and submission history and then check the status. But they're going to reach out to you and they're going to say, hey, these are the next steps. So you can put up the $4,000. Once you put it up, then they're going to ask them to put up the $4,000. If they don't put up $4,000, they automatically get kicked off of Amazon. It's that easy. If they do, then they're going to provide the next steps, assign an evaluator, and you're going to have to submit a claim and what you have to do. And they're going to give you specifications like you need to submit why they are violating it. It can only be 1 page, yada, yada, and you submit that information. Then they're going to say, hey, other person submit it. And then they're going to pick a winner from there. And that's pretty much the entire process for Apex. We've done it multiple times. It does work and it works extremely well. Now, since you stayed till the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize Fiverr to find a great priced attorney. And I want you to hang on a second and really follow this with me. All you're going to do is go to fiverr.com and click patent. Some people call it Fiverr, whatever. Anyway, you're going to click patent. You're going to go to service options. And you're only going to want attorneys in the USA. So we're going to scroll down. I'm going to put target country, USA, and click apply. And you're going to see it narrows it down to only 4 results. Only 4 people on Fiverr who are trying to make an extra buck. And we can see right at the end, this guy right here, Julian B. We're going to click on him. And right here, it says that he is from the United States. So he's from the United States. He only speaks English, right? So that's already a good sign, like they're legit. I am a patent attorney with several years of experience in both prosecuting and litigating patents. This might be the go-to guy, and guess what? His fee is only $80 an hour, and that's pretty amazing. Usually patent attorneys are more expensive than that, $80 an hour, and he's on here because he's trying to make an extra buck or two, and this is a great opportunity for you to hire an attorney for a great price. The best part about Fiverr is if they don't do a good job, you can contact Fiverr and get a refund. In real life, you can't do that with an attorney. So you might as well use Fiverr and they could help you with this process, especially if it's an easy claim. You could say, hey, they're violating my patent. What claim should I pick? And they could actually tell you what claim and maybe even help you with the process and give you some estimated pricing. And on Fiverr, it's going to be a much better deal if you do everything on Fiverr because again, if something messes up, you can get a refund. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like below. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with infringement, counterfeits, or anything regarding Apex or Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in. Also, our #1 service is where you have your own consultant. They do a full audit, making sure that your account is healthy. and how to increase your sales. So they'll make a phase-by-phase, step-by-step plan. One of our clients, we expanded them internationally and their in sales increased by $30,000 a month. So help us help you, and contact ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description. I'm Josh Hackett and I'm signing out.